Alright guys, my name is Mike Arnold. I'm with Southeastern Reconstruction. I'm at Mr. Matt York's house. This is an Allstate claim. Here's my truck. Here's a shingle I'm going to use to attempt to repair. Timberline HDZ weathered wood shingle. Here's an overview of the house right here, 4001. I got 2 ladders up here for a double pool. Allstate has approved wind and hail damage. Wind to the roof, hail damage to the fascia and some gutters, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and get up on the roof. We're gonna do a attempt to repair here. This roof is very old, and we are going to see the outcome of a repair on this roof. Before we get up here, I just want to make note of, on the roof, how much granule loss there is. You can see it in the gutters. It's a pretty significant amount of granular loss. There's a shingle up here. Before we begin, I do want to just do a little overview of, we've got spatter on the siding, confirmed hail damage to the metal, the roof, which need to be taken up. Spatter on the siding as well, confirmed hail hits to the fascia. Hail. I also want to make note that there is damage on all slopes of this roof. Wind damage. It's the back slope. Wind damage on the right slope over here. I'm going to go up to the second level here. I need the shingle. Let me set this up here. Now we're on the top. This is the front slope. Just wind damage to the front. There's the shingle that we're going to use for the repair. This is the left slope. Confirmed wind damage to the left slope. This is the back slope. Majority of our damage is. I want to make note of a prior repair that already did damage to this roof. Granule loss, creasing, missing tabs all around it. The point I'm trying to make here is that I feel it would do more damage to this roof to actually do a repair. I've done several roofs in this neighborhood. I know we're on this claim specifically, but this is an old elk shingle, which is no longer made. So what I'm doing is using the Timberline HDZ made by GAF. This is the closest match that we can probably come up with. But it is not an exact match. If we need to go that route, I mean, we can pull eye tails and stuff if we need to, but for this sole purpose of the video, it is about a proper repair. So I've got all my tools here for that. I'm going to switch over to the GoPro so we can get a solid image of this repair.